Ever wondered what lies beyond the beaten path? What secrets the world holds in its remote corners? What unique flavors and tastes are yet to grace your palate? Welcome to a journey of discovery, to the unexplored territories and uncharted cuisines that have remained hidden from the world until now. Imagine the soft crunch of sand beneath your feet as you meander along a secluded beach in the Maldives, the untouched beauty of the turquoise waters surrounding you, or perhaps the thrill of traversing the rugged terrains of Patagonia, where the wind whispers tales of ancient civilizations and the mountains hold secrets of the world's past. These are the untold stories of our planet, the hidden gems that lie waiting for the intrepid traveler. But a journey is never complete without a gastronomic adventure. Picture the tangy sweetness of a freshly picked mango in a remote village in Thailand, the juice trickling down your chin as you bite into the ripe fruit, or the fiery burst of flavor from a bowl of chili in a bustling market in Mexico City, a dish that has been passed down through generations. These are the flavors that define a place, the culinary masterpieces that are as unique as the destinations themselves. And what about the quiet corners of the world? The places where time seems to stand still, like the sleepy town of Cinque Terre in Italy, where you can sip on a glass of locally produced wine as you watch the sun set over the Mediterranean Sea, or the vibrant streets of Marrakesh, where the scent of spices wafts through the air and the sound of laughter echoes through the night. These are the moments that make travel worthwhile, the experiences that stay with you long after the journey ends. In this journey, we've traversed the globe from the secluded beaches of the Maldives to the bustling markets of Mexico City. We've discovered the untold stories of our planet, tasted the unique flavors of each destination, and found the quiet corners where time stands still. Through it all, we've realized one thing: the world is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. So, whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a food lover, or a quiet observer, there's a place in this world just waiting for you. Pack your bags, grab your passport, and let the world surprise you, because in the end, the journey is the destination. Thank you for joining us on this whirlwind journey of discovery. Until next time, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep discovering the unknown.